Flat roof leak detection, Edinburgh. A flat roof may seem simple, but it's just as susceptible to leaks as any other type of roof. And a leak in a flat roof can have serious consequences, causing damage to the structure, leading to mold and mildew growth, and increasing energy costs. Traditional methods of leak detection, like visual inspections, can only do so much. That's why more and more building owners are turning to electronic leak detection. Using advanced non-destructive flat roof electronic leak detection techniques, such as high-voltage dielectric electronic integrity testing, low-voltage earth leakage testing, differential pressure vacuum testing, and thermal imaging and drone surveying, our team can quickly and accurately locate even the most elusive leaks. With electronic leak detection, you can catch roof leaks early, preventing damage to the structure of your building, avoiding mold and mildew growth, and reducing your repair costs. Don't wait for a leak to become a major problem. Contact us today to learn more about how electronic leak detection can protect your flat roof and your building. Call now on 07480 569 789.